Hello students, let's do some questions on real numbers. The first one is, if two positive integers p and q are written as p equals to a square b cube and q is a cube b, where a and b are prime numbers, we have to verify that LCM of p and q multiplied with HCF of p and q is equals to p cross q. Now, what is LCM बच्चे? LCM is product of highest power of every factor. LCM is product of highest power of every prime factor. And what is HCF? HCF is product of lowest power of common factor. Now, for HCF, we have P a की power 2 into B की power 3 and Q is a की power 3 into B. A and B both are common. So, for HCF, we will take the smallest power of A, which is 2 into smallest power of B is B की power 1. So, HCF is A square B. Now, what is LCM? Highest power of every factor. One factor is A, highest power is 3 and the highest power of B is 3. We have A cube, B cube. This is LCM. Now, we have to verify LCM into HCF. LCM is A cube, B cube into A की power 2 into B. This will be equals to A की power 3 into A की power 2. Base are same. The powers will be added 3 plus 2 into B की power 3 plus 1. This is equals to A की power 5, B की power 4. This is our left hand side. Now take right hand side. What is right hand side? PQ. What is P? A square B cube into Q is A cube B. Base is same. A की power 2 plus 3 into B की power 3 plus 1. We have A की power 5, B की power 4. So this is our left hand side and left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we have verified our answer. Find HCF of smallest composite number and smallest prime number. बच्चे, what is our smallest composite number? What is composite number? जो किसी के और की टेबल में आता है. And what is prime number? Smallest prime number. Prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors, one and the number itself, जो किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आते. And what is the smallest prime number? 2 is the smallest prime number. And 2 is also only even prime number. Rest of the prime numbers are all odd. Now, what is smallest composite number? 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. So, 4 is our smallest composite number. Now, what we have to find? HCF. What is HCF? HCF is product of smallest power of common factors. Now, 4 can be written as 2 की power 2 and 2 can be written as 2 की power 1. So, HCF will be, what is common factor? 2 is the common factor, smallest power is 2. So, HCF of smallest composite number and prime number is 2. Now, what will you do if you have to find LCM also? LCM is highest power of every factor. The only factor we have is 2. Highest power is 2 की power 2. So, LCM will be 4. Clear? LCM of two numbers is 45 times their HCF. One of the number is 125 and the sum of HCF and LCM is given 1150. We have to find the other number. We have two numbers out of which one is 125. Second we have to find. Now LCM is 45 times HCF. Let HCF of these two numbers, first number and second number, is x. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 45 times HCF, 45x. Now, the sum of HCF and LCM is HCF plus LCM is given 1150. So x plus 45x equals to 1150. 46x equals to 1150 and x equals to 1150 by 46. What we will get? 25. Now x is 25. So our HCF is 25. What will be the LCM? 45 into 25. So we have to find two numbers. This is our LCM, 45 into 25. So we have a formula which is HCF into LCM equals to first number into second number. HCF is 45 into 25 into LCM is, this is LCM, 45 is, 25 is HCF. First number is 125, we have to find the second number. So second number will be 45 into 25 into 25 by 125. 25 5s are and 5 5s are. So our second number will be 45 into 5. 225 will be our answer. So 225 is the second number. Find HCF and LCM of 336 and 54 by prime factorization. First, take the prime factorization of 336. At units place we have 6, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, again 2, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, again 2, 42, again 2, 21. Now it is not divisible by 2, 3 7s are. So 336 can be written as 2 की power 1 2 3 4 into 3 की power 1 into 7. Now 54 divisible by 2, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, again with 3, 3 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So 54 can be written as 2 की power 1 into 3 की power 3. Now what is HCF? You know HCF is product of smallest power of common factor. So what is common factor? We have 2 in both the cases and 3 also we have in both the cases. The power of 2 in this is 1. Here it is 4. Smallest power is 1 into 3 की power 1. Here we have 3 की power 3. Smallest power is 3 की power 1. So into 3. So HCF will be 6. Now take LCM. LCM is product of highest power of every factor. So one factor is 2. Highest power of 2 is 2 की power 4 into 3 की power 1, 3 की power 3. Highest power is 3 की power 3 into we have another factor 7. 2 की power 4, 16 into 27 into 7 will get 3024. This is our LCM. If HCF of 65 and 117 is in the form of 65m minus 117, we have to find the value of m. We have two numbers. First number is 65 and the second one is 117. We have to find the HCF. Now this time let's take HCF by long division method. The smaller number is 65. Take it as divisor. 117 as dividend. 65 ones are 65. Remainder is 2. Here we have 5. Now take this remainder as divisor and 65 as dividend. 52 ones are 52. Remainder is 30. This time take this 13 as divisor and 52 as dividend. 13 fours are 52. This time our remainder is 0. So 13 is our HCF. If you find HCF by prime factorization method, you will get the same result. Now, HCF of these two numbers is in the form of 65m minus 117. So 13 is HCF. This is in the form of 65m minus 117. We have to find the value of m. Take this 117 on the left hand side. Here it is minus with minus sign. When we will take it on the left hand side, it is 13 plus 117, which is equals to 65m. 13 plus 117, 130 equals to 65m, and the value of m will be 130 by 65. 65 2s are 130. So the value of m is 2. Here we have a equals to 2 की power 3 into 3. B is 2 into 3 into 5. And C is 3 की power n into 5. And the LCM of A, B, C is 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 2 into 5. This is the LCM of these three numbers. Now, बच्चे, what is LCM? LCM is the product of highest power of every factor. Here we have, in case of A, we have factors 2 and 3. In B, 2, 3 and 5. And in C, 3 and 5. Take a look at 2. Here the power of 2 is 3. And here it is 1. Here it is 2 की power 0. 2 की power 0 is 1. We can write it as 2 की power 0. So highest power is 2 की power 3. We have taken this. Now, have a look at 5. Here we don't have any 5. So it can be 1 or 5 की power 0. Here we have 5 की power 1, 5 की power 1. So highest power is 5 की power 1. Now, the case of 3. Here we have 3 की power 1, 3 की power 1. And here we have 3 की power n. In LCM we have taken 3 की power 2. What does this mean? This means here the power of 3 must be 2. Because in LCM we take the highest power. So Rn must be 2. Clear? Can two numbers have 18 as HCF and 380 as LCM? Is it possible that we have two numbers and the HCF of that two numbers is 18 and LCM is 380? Let's divide 380 by 18. We are dividing LCM by HCF. We have 18 2s are 36. 18 1s are 18. 380 is not divisible by 18. So, since HCF, if we divide LCM by HCF, the remainder is not 0. So, it is not possible that two numbers have 18 as HCF and 380 as LCM. Using prime factorization method, find the LCM of 21, 28, 36 and 45. Let's first find the prime factorization. 21 is 3 7s are, 7 1s are. 28, 2 14s are, 2 7s are, 7 1s are. 36, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. 45, 3 1s are, 3 5s are, again 3 5s are and 5 1s are. Now what we have to find? We have to find LCM. 21 is 3 into 7. 28 is 2 की power 2 into 7. 36, 2 की power 2 into 3 की power 2. And 45 is 3 की power 2 into 5. Now what is LCM? LCM is product of highest power of every factors. How many factors we have? 2, 3, 5 and 7. Highest power of 2, 2 की power 2 into highest power of 3, 3 की power 2 into We have another factor 5 with 5 की power 1 and we have 1 7. Now 2 की power 2 4 into 9 into 5 into 7. 1260 is the LCM. Now if we have to find HCF, what will be HCF? What is HCF? Lowest power of common factor. Which is common factor in these? We don't have 2 in 21. We don't have 3 in 28. Do we have anything common in these? No. So the HCF is 1. 1 is the HCF because we don't have any factor which is common in all the 4.